Driven by our expertise and energy, we help companies improve their performance, all thanks to one key element, co-development.
On a daily basis, this collaborative state of mind allows us to share ideas, experiences and knowledge with our colleagues as well as with our clients and partners.
We are the key partners of SMEs and mid-market businesses for their transformation and innovation worldwide.
For over 35 years, our purpose is to generate synergies in order to inspire tomorrow's businesses and anticipate their challenges.
Successful business transformation involves many people. We recognize that working together as a team where we all participate, share skills and collaborate will lead to better outcomes for all.
We cultivate honest business relationships, keep our promises and aim to be a trusted advisor and partner to our customers.
We are always looking to innovate and improve, finding new and better ways to do things. We look to the future, anticipating our clients' needs and imagining solutions.
No two businesses are the same. We tailor our services to each client, embracing change and adapting to whatever it brings.
Leveraging innovation and digitalization, Visiativ created and developed new uses to enable each employee to become more efficient and contribute to the company's performance.
Our value proposition, the Visiativ Innovation Platform, is organized around 3 pillars: consulting and services, solutions, and sharing.
Every day we are committed to our employees and their customers in order to have a positive impact on our society.
Sharing is growing.
Partager, c'est progresser.
Teilen ist wachsen.
المشاركة للتنمية.
Compartilhar para crescer.
Delen is groeien.
Sharing is growing.